Congratulations, coach. You're man of the match, saying that it's all down to teamwork. Things are really working well, the interplay. Congratulations, coach. You're man of the match, saying that it's all down to teamwork. Things are really working well, the interplay. You knew today was going to be a battle royale. It was. The 2 goals, when they were scored, when they came for you, just the right kind of stuffing that you needed to last.
Yeah, look, we knew there were going to be a response out of them. I mean, a great club like Orlando Pirates doesn't get beat like that last week and come back and don't give a fight. They gave a good fight for themselves, especially in the first half. Second half, they came on a little bit more, which was expected, and we were poor the second half. But what do you expect us to do? And I mean, we went a little bit further back, and that wasn't the plan, and we just didn't seem to have the legs to get out. Taking a lot out of us from the weekend, obviously in the heat and travelling and all that stuff. But anyway, it's part of the game, and we'll regroup and start again for Saturday's game.
Agreed. I mean, 3 points, top of the table, but you're such a perfectionist. You are going to look at those areas where you need to improve. What are those? What's going to be the main focal point?
Well, I think if you look at our season this so far, I mean, our final pass in the final third has really let us down. Especially in the first half, there was a couple of times Pagamani went through and Mango, just a final ball. We could have gotten the end of it and had a better result. But it's been a problem for us. But these things, you work on it every day. And we got to, trying to get a squad of players together and work hard for one another. That's what we're about. We don't have the individual quality. They know that. I tell them that. But we got to work together, and when we work together, we're much better. Second half, we dug in, and we got a result.
Congratulations today.
Thank you. Okay.
Right. He's such a perfectionist, isn't he? I mean, they've been playing really, really well, but he's saying there is room for improvement, and that's precisely what they're going to focus on now with the rest of their fixtures, looking at their next ABSA Premiership matchup. But along talking to your players today, it was a battle again, coach, but at least you got that goal, and you look at the sportsmanship from a player like Happy Jele. This is a Pirate side that is on the mend.
Believe during the week we always practice Ndoro, Happy, and Tabo Matrala in the goal. We play this situation, but before this I must apologize for the fair play that were playing O'Keefe when then Klein put the ball. But today is a bad luck. Bad luck. We try all our best. The first 15 minutes again with great chances. It was not our day, but the player tried his best with the 10 men. We still create chances, but it's the best moment who Pirate pass in this moment. And we only do this to try our best. This all.
You tried your best, and I think the fans also saw that. They saw the effort. They saw that you're really trying to push to bring something positive to the squad, and that's why there was a round of applause for the players after the game.
I think the more important today, the players say, let's to play for our supporters. Let's to leave everything behind, because the supporter is more important than anything. I think today in the first half, especially to losing 2-0 and come back, is the player try his best, and thank you for the supporter to encourage the player. This is the really supporter when the team not doing well. He applauds, he encourages, he motivates. And for the next game, I hope the luck it can be different.
All the best of luck for that game. It's going to be tough. Cape Town City also, they've been a very, very good team so far.
Yeah, we know.